Koi's TV. So today I'm going to show you what the new Huges looks like. So it's right here. Also, I'm going to show you how fast they can kill a chest. So let's go. So here is how fast they can kill the tech entry chest. Look, it's super fast and it's really good for grinding. Also, we're gonna go to Trading Plaza to see what people offers for the new huge pets. Let's try another chest. It's really fun. Also, comment which one you like the most. Let's go to shop and go to Trading Plaza. People say the Lucky Cat is really good and it's really expensive. So I think it's true. I mean, it is really good and pretty. So it better be expensive. Also, I hope they fix the dupe because it's really annoying. Okay, we spawned in. Ooh, there's a lot of people here. Look, someone already has the huge Lucky Cat. Nice. Whoa. Look, someone has the huge Festive Cat. And someone has a huge Santa Paw. Oh, we're back in the server. Whoa, there's so many rich people here. There's so many Huges. Let's see what they'll offer for one of these new pets. Let's wait until they trade me. There's so many people here. Here's a quick view of the Huges. Also here is what they look like. So, I think you already know what it looks like since you guys seen it from my last video. So let's check what this guy can offer. Ooh, ice cream cone. I'll pass, but I hope this one was a huge because it's really good too and it's very detailed. It's so cute too. Oh, they were still adding. Oops. But it's okay. Let's see more offers. Oh, the ice cream cone again. I really, really like it. Nature dragon and 2 brave crabs. We'll see more offers. People do have a lot of exclusives. Also, I also got some of the Huges from trading and from hatching. I traded some of my Huges for some of these Cupcake and Lucky Cats. Let's see what they'll offer again. So, what do you think I should add, guys? The huge Cupcake or the huge Lucky Cat? Let's put the huge Cupcake. Ooh. Hellish Axo. That's a lot. Ooh, a lot of gems. Sorry, but I'll pass. Let's see more. Someone said I'm rich. Thanks. Let's walk around to see if they'll fall. Ooh, sus. What is his name, sus? Ooh, huge Lucky Cat. Should I trade my huge Cupcake? Let's put it. Let's see the chat. Look, guys. Do you think you'll accept? Or should I just cancel? Oh, he wants me to add. I can't add anything. But I'll cancel. Ooh. More offers! TM Hellish again. Oh, I meant RB Hellish. I'll skip again, sorry. This guy has so many Huges. He has RB, huge Festive Cat. Nice. This guy has Pumpkin. That's really rare and really expensive. Look, someone has the huge hat. I really like the huge hat since it's very detailed. See what it looks like? It's so pretty. That's why I like that again. It's really detailed, that's why. Let's view. Look, someone has the huge Santa Paw. Also, guys, comment what's your favorite huge in the whole Pet Simulator X game. Hellish. I'll skip again. Let's check my awards. Oh, it's disabled in Trading Plaza. There's so many people. Also, I'll be doing a giveaway when I hit 1,000 subscribers. So if you're lucky enough to join me, maybe you'll get one exclusive. Also, remember to like and subscribe my video. Bye, guys!